Saved it for later. Discover how to find and finish your Instagram draft in a few easy steps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to find drafts on Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, open your Instagram app on your device. To access your draft, you need to go into the post creation screen. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center of your screen. Once you have tapped the plus icon, you will be directed to your gallery. Here's the crucial part. Look for the tab at the top of the screen that says draft. Tap on it. You will find all your saved draft waiting for you. Once you are in your draft folder, you can either edit a draft or delete a draft. After you have reviewed your draft, tap on your story to post it to your feed. And you are all set. So this is how to find draft on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.